Hello everyone, welcome to this special training on how to, it's a 2 day challenge on how to sell online. So I want to show you how you can effectively sell your training materials. If you are an online trainer, I want to show you how you can effectively upload your courses and sell online on automation. You don't need to um, maybe always check or always message people, do you understand, to see if they're really buying or interested in your offer, your courses, or your trainings. So this is an automatic way of uploading your products or uploading your courses and selling them automatically. For example, you can run ads to promote the link that you'll be giving, and when people land on this page, they can automatically make payment for your trainings immediately once they click on learn more, maybe from the Facebook ads or from once you send the link to anybody. Once they click on the link, they will be redirected to this page, and they can automatically make payments in different currencies. They can make payments in US dollars, they can make payments in Nigerian naira, they can make payments in Ghana cedi. No matter the country they are, do you understand, they can make payments with their credit card. So I'll be showing you through all the steps you need to take to set up your course, to upload your course online, and to sell. Now, the first thing you need to do is to know the site. The site is seller.co. Seller.co. Now, when you get to the site, the first thing you do, this is how the site looks like. The first thing you do is to do what? Is to register on the site. You need to register an account for free. So I have an account registered. So I'll just go to my account. So I have an account registered. So I just go to my account. So I've been using this for some time now. So, but in the last 30 days, now this dashboard you are seeing is your earnings. Do you understand? So your sales, if you made any sales in the last 30 days, do you understand? It's going to show everything. But this now, in the last 30 days, I've not made any earnings on this platform in the last 30 days. So, but if you are making sales, it will all be shown on this page. Now you click on the three lines on the upper side towards the right hand side. Here you have your dashboard, you have your product, you have your sales, you have your wallet and payouts, you have your affiliate. You can also earn, so that I talked about you earning from it daily. So when people sign up or when they register with your affiliate link, you will get paid when they register with your affiliate link. So it's a platform that makes it so easy for people to make money on it. So now the first thing is you need to upload. For example, you need to upload your products. Do you understand? So I clicked on product and it says all products, add product, and all product subscribers. So I can click on add products. Let's say, for example, I want to add a new course. So it's going to ask me, do I want to add a physical product, a digital product, a ticket, a subscription? Is it a service? So the rest are for the pro version. So let's say, for example, I want to add a digital product. So I'll click on next. That means I'm ready to add a digital product. So the first thing you see is asking for the image of the product I want to upload. Now, mind you, the image is your flyer. The image is your flyer. Do you understand? Like the course flyer. It can be an ebook. It can be the ebook design. Do you understand? Maybe if you are selling an ebook, if you are selling a video course, so the image will be the course flyer. Then the next thing will be the name of the product. Let's say an ebook on how to, or maybe WhatsApp marketing ebook. So that can be the name of the product. So the sales price, you are going to put the price you want to sell it. You are going to put the price of you want to sell it. Now you can also say show striked out price. For example, if the main price is, let's say for example, if you are selling for 2,000 naira and you said okay, the original price is 10,000 naira. Do you understand? So it's going to strike out the 10,000 naira, and it's going to show that okay, fine, the original price now is 2,000 naira, but it was formerly sold for what? For 10,000 naira. So this is here you're going to put in your details. You're going to put the details about the course or the ebook you want to sell. You're going to put the details about the ebook. So in the product type will be digital product. Then if it is on pre-order, if they need to order first before they get, you switch it on here if it's on pre-order. So you're going to put the release date as well. You're going to tell them when it will be coming out, but it's not on pre-order. So you're going to type the category. Let's say, for example, if the category is video, let's say it is trainings now. Okay, let's say it is training. So now here you are expected to upload. If it is maybe an ebook, they understand that once they click on buy now, they will be able to access the ebook. Do you understand? Once they click on buy now, they will be able to access to ebook, access the ebook. You're going to do what? You're going to click and upload. So the app, you have the maximum size. The maximum file size is 750 MB. So you are allowed to upload maximum file size of 750 MB. So let's say, for example, it is a video training now. So if you change it to video, you can as well upload the video. Now what this means is that once they click on buy now and they make payment, they will be redirected automatically to the video for them to start watching immediately. So if it is an ebook, they will be redirected to where they can download the ebook immediately after payment. So it is an automation. You don't need to be there to be sending them the ebook. You don't need to be there to be sending them the video. So once they click on buy now, they will get the ebook or they will get the material. Now let's say, for example, you click on automatically redirect the buyer to an external URL after purchase. Let's say, for example, you don't have the video training uploaded. So here you are not uploading anything, but you want them to be directed to maybe a website to now download it, or you want them to be directed to maybe a particular URL. It can be your personal WhatsApp, it can be your WhatsApp group. Maybe once they pay, you want them to join the paid group. So you can come here and insert the URL of the URL. Maybe it's a website you're directing them to, if it's your personal WhatsApp. So wherever place you are directing them to, you will redirect. But if it is automatically, if you've uploaded the video training or the ebook or whatever course you are selling online, if you've uploaded it, you don't need to do what? You don't need to click on automatically redirect again. So the next thing you do is you click on create product. So once you click on create product, it will be created and a link will be generated for you that you can now use to promote your product. Now after creating your product, you can easily come back and edit. Now let me show you what I'm talking about. For example, let me show you the product I created. So let me show you one of the product I created. Now this is live. Now this is my digital marketing training. Now it is live. So let's say I want to edit. I just click on this icon and I click on edit. Do you understand? Let's say I want to edit it. I'll click on edit. So have you seen it? So have you seen my image? Have you seen the name of the product, the price I'm selling, and every information about it? Have you seen it? And what? I saw it's a training. So once they click on buy now, they'll be able to access this product. Now let me show you something. Let me go back. Let me show you something. So for example, let me show you how the link will be. So I want to click on view public link. So once you promote the link and people come to the page, this is what they will see. Have you seen it? Just like this is what they will see. They will see buy now and they will see more details about the product. So it is very easy. Can you now see now? Once they come here, they can switch to any currency they want to pay with. So if they want to pay with US dollar, they can pay with US dollar. If they want to pay with Great Britain pound, they can pay with the pound. They can pay with the Ghana cedis, and on and on and on like that. Do you understand it? So it is very easy. So let me go back to my dashboard. So it is very easy. It's very easy. So it is very easy. So once again, if you are making sales, you come to the sales to check your sales. So you can check your abandoned transactions, you can check your customers. So if you click on abandoned transactions, you're going to see the transactions that, okay, maybe some people try to, they get to your page, they click on buy now, they try filling their details but they don't make payment. It's going to show you all these things. So after, it's going to, now sales is where you are going to see the number of sales you've made. Your customers is where you're going to see people that they've made payment for your product. or for your course or for your trainings, and they are now your customers. Now here where we have the wallet and payouts, this is where you see the wallet, how much you have in your wallet, the payouts if you want to withdraw your money, and if you have an upcoming payout, maybe you've sent a withdrawal and they are waiting, you are waiting for the withdrawal. So this is where you see it. Then this is where you get your affiliate link. Do you understand? Once it comes to affiliate, this is where you get your affiliate link. So then refer and earn as well. So you can refer people and earn. So the that is all about how to create an online courses and online training to sell on automation. It is very easy. So go to the site now, start uploading your products, start selling them on automation, start uploading your trainings, maybe physical, maybe digital products, maybe there are video materials, maybe there are ebooks. Start uploading them and start making money. So if you have any question, you can reach out to me. Thank you so much.